These are the newly modernized building. Elevators at the Allegheny Professional Building and Allegheny General Hospital in Northside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are originally Haughton from the 70s. Now they've been modernized by Schindler 6400 and Magnus Moon. This is the one I filmed on his original too. New cabs. New everything. Buns are a little high, but fine. Kind of loud. Here we go. These used to be really fun. These used to have type H, which resulted in as L series fixtures. Here we go.
Floor 5.
You're at 5. Left on the ground. 88 pound. Basic snap cab. Here, back around. Didn't talk for ground. That's like a floor G. One of them. Now that one's on the one. That wasn't as good. See how the old pond dropped he was.